Not all women whose fallopian tubes are blocked need IVF. अगर आपकी fallopian tubes नले बंद हैं तो जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको IVF कराना चाहिए. मैं आपको थोड़ा डिटेल में समझाती हूँ. How does a pregnancy happen? There is an ovary and then there is a fallopian tube which collects the egg from the ovary and brings into the uterus. So the tube is very important in bringing your eggs to the uterus. If the fallopian tubes are blocked, the egg cannot come to the uterus and natural pregnancy cannot happen. But it is not correct to say that if your tubes are blocked, IVF is the only treatment for you. I will repeat that. अगर आपकी ट्यूब्स, आपकी नले बंद है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि IVF ही आपका इकलौता उपचार है, क्योंकि लैप्रोस्कोपी करके ट्यूब्स खोली जा सकती हैं. We can use the process of laparoscopy to open most of the fallopian tubes. It is very important to know that laparoscopy is a surgery. It is like a laser surgery which can be done to open blocked fallopian tubes. When we do laparoscopy, the patient stays in the hospital for only 1 day. The surgery is done with keyhole process, which means there are very, very little size incisions made on the tummy. From that, we are able to put in all our instruments. The surgery is done successfully. Patient is discharged mostly the same day or the next day. जो fallopian tube होती है वो कई जगह से बंद हो सकती है. It can be closed from the beginning, from the middle, from the end. If a tube is closed from the beginning or from the end, we have very good results in opening the fallopian tubes. Once the fallopian tubes are open, patients can get pregnant naturally. So, if you have blocked fallopian tubes, it is not necessary that IVF is the only treatment for you. Come to me and I will explain you.